I'm at P.S.I.'s hospital, Mohiuddin in Mirpur. Wasn't feeling well, short of breath. Came here. People want to take me elsewhere. I said no, I'm coming here because I wanted to come and visit anyway. So I came here. I was admitted, diagnosed with pneumonia, and I was amazed at how clean, how dedicated the staff, the doctors, from A to Z, each and every single one. How fortunate we are that P.S.I. has given us the opportunity that this Sadaqah Jariyah will go on forever. And believe me, guys, you need to come here. Everyone, your family members, when you're sick, just come and visit. You don't have to be sick. Just come and visit, and you will see that this is probably, from what I've seen, is the best. The service is impeccable. Proper cardiologist. I've been seen by a cardiologist as well, and respiratory department. Alhamdulillah. And yeah, it's a bout of pneumonia, of serious pneumonia, and it'll take a few days, inshallah. And full care and attention has been given, provided. The cleanliness is just amazing. It really is. And this is what we need, and we need to support. And alhamdulillah, like, I think a lot of this was funded by the overseas, and every single penny well spent. Right? And keep me in your thoughts.